challenge pupils further and differentiate this activity for older or more able pupils, could they create a more flexible decoration incorporating levers and cogs, such as this moving Santa? Or perhaps they could take up the challenge of pneumatics, using trapped air to move a decoration, such as this Santa. Or perhaps they could design a decoration with a purpose, such as a sweet dispenser, a wish box, or a Secret Santa hiding place. Take your imagination a little further and dream big. Design an interactive decoration that alerts the house when Santa arrives. When creating a prototype, this seemingly innocent-looking decoration could make a sound, light up, or even engage elements of coding to trigger a motion sensor. Whatever level your pupils are at, short criteria will guide them, whilst also maintaining their freedom to think outside the box. When problems arise, encourage collaborative brainstorming, problem solving, and communication among your young inventors as they optimize the power of learning from their mistakes.